You've made it to week 6, and we just have a week and a half left to go in the class, so hang in there, everybody. Week 6, we're going to cover 2 topics. One, troubleshooting things that might happen towards the end of the semester, especially, and then also cultural competency. So there are actually 2 readings and 2 quizzes this week, so just make sure that you're doing the reading along with the quiz and this reading along with this quiz. There's also a mindful moment and a assignment that walks you through withdrawal options and the effects of withdrawal on your grade. This is something that a lot of people ask questions about, so we're going to have you look into the policies of the college and what your options are. In the second half of the week, we will focus on 3 major things for the future: your career, where you're transferring, and also setting up dual admissions. So the readings and the quiz are on those topics, and then you have your last major project in the class due, the career and transfer exploration plan. So you might want to get started on this early in the week. There are 3 separate parts to this assignment. The first is to submit your career plan, and this is the process of submitting 3 separate PDFs, one for each career. It will make sense when you read the instructions. The second is to complete the My Transfer Plan, where you'll submit a comparison shot for 2 different colleges and a reflection about, the different colleges and the pros and cons of each. And lastly is to submit a dual admissions intent form, which you'll take a screenshot of. So make sure that you read all the instructions. You're going to do this in the virtual job shadow, which is in the student tab of my CCP, and you can follow all the instructions here. If you do have any questions at all about this plan as you're completing it, let me know. The goal is that you really think through your future and what you're going to do next. All right. If you have any questions, let me know. Reach out. I'm here to help. Have a great week.